lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Becca. I hope you all are doing great. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a unboxing. I received my Boxycharm for the month of July and I want to share with you the products they sent me. So here is a box and this is the base box. So this is the $25 a month subscription and they sent you 5 full-size products. So I'm really excited to see what they sent for this month. They always add a card like this one that has all the products they sent, and they also have a theme. So the theme for this month is fantasy, and they have the description and the retail value of the products, which I think it's really nice because you can see what you're getting. And let's get started. Let's see what they sent for this month. So the first product I have here is this one by Pharmacy. This is the Whipped Cream's Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser. I have actually been using their moisturizer and it's really good. I've been using it as part of my nighttime and morning routine sometimes because it's super hydrating and I love how refreshing it is. So I'm going to be giving this one a go. It does say that it's for more combination and oil skin, but I'm thinking if the moisturizer works on my skin, maybe this one will as well. So this one retails for $28 and I'm going to be updating you on this one. And I have another skincare product here. So this one is by Dermalect Cosmeceuticals. I haven't tried this brand yet. This is the Crease Retinol Trifecta Serum. I really like the fact that they sent retinol. I'm really excited because it's retinol. I do use retinol as part of my skincare routine. Retails for $39. It says that it has 3 types of retinol, which I think it's really interesting to try. I'm gonna be updating you on my Instagram. So let's see what else they sent. They also sent the cutest set of sponges. This one's are by M2UNYC and I actually do like this brand. I've used their eye concealer and also some of their eyeshadow palettes and they're really nice. So I'm really excited to try this ones. I do love applying my makeup with a beauty sponge just because I feel that it gives more of a natural look. So I'm going to be trying this ones and I'll be showing you on my Instagram how I use them. And this one's retail for $20, so that's really nice. And this is the next product I have, and this is a micro brow pencil. This is my Billion Dollar Brows. I haven't used this brand before. I always love having brow products, so that's really nice that they sent this, and this is how it looks like. So this one retails for $16. Last product I have here is another skincare product. So this one is by Generation Skin, and this one is a hydrating marine algae eye patches. These ones are meant to hydrate and helps to firm, soothe, and plump the under eye area. So I love using eye patches. This is one of the things that I feel I can't have too many of just because I love keeping my under eye super hydrated. So I'm definitely trying this ones, and this one retails for $49.99. Can't wait to see how they feel on the skin, how much they hydrate. I'll be sharing more details and me trying the products on my Instagram, so I'm gonna be leaving a link on the description box as well as a link for Boxycharm if you want to subscribe and get your box. This is a $25 monthly subscription. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be seeing you soon. Bye bye.